calling all future leaders, innovators, and problem solvers to the India's biggest skill contest is here. So now here, your chance to showcase your talent, win amazing prizes, and stand out of the crowd. So here we can see we are in the website. So basically, don't worry. First of all, we'll explore each and everything. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now, the basically here with 5 diverse skill tracks, this is a platform to prove your merit. Whether you are into coding, AI, engineering, finance, marketing, or pharma. Here, for everyone, there is a track. You can see over here. Let me show you the tracks are here. So here you can see these are the tracks. Okay. You can just apply these tracks after qualifying for round 2. Basically, there will be aptitude test, which I am going to talk about you. Do not worry. Now here, the main thing is that you are competing for a prize pool of 20 lakhs, including cash rewards, goodies, and certification of merit. So here you can see they have mentioned. Let me show you the prize pool. Okay. So here you can see the prize pool is mentioned who passed the skill assessment and will cover everything. So here you can see, let's explain. So basically here the enrollment will be ending on September 19 and don't wait, enroll for free because the enrollment is already free, and you can see here they have mentioned that the enrollment ends on 19th of September and round 1 will be starting on 20th of September. So basically here let me tell you about the round 1 which you are awaiting. So basically round 1 will be aptitude test which will test your ability and critical thinking with 60 MCQs in 60 minutes, and everyone who participates in this event, basically round 1 also, will be getting a certificate of appreciation. So make sure to take part in it, and once you pass, basically once you qualify, you will be getting some merit certificates also. Difference is that participant certificate will be given to everyone, but merit certificate will be given to only the people who have achieved some merit, basically good score you can say in this test. Now once you qualify for round 2, here is the round 1, then you have round 2. So basically here it's time to shine. Basically there will be tracks. Whatever tracks we have seen earlier, whether it is pharma, engineering, and accounting, all these things are here. So basically if you understand these tracks and just compete for these 5 tracks and pass the skill assessment, you'll be getting, if you score this rank, you'll be getting 1 lakh rupees. If you score AR2, you'll be getting just half, 50,000, and for 3 it's 25,000. Now if you are in AR 4 to 10 range, you'll be getting 15,000 each, and 11 to 20 you will be getting 10,000 each. Here each everyone will get, and now for 21 to 50 they'll be getting some goodies. So goodies will also be cool thing, like you may get some smartwatch, bags, etc. Do not worry about it. Now here the sponsors, basically the sponsors of this events are the one partners, basically it's Zydus, Technochips, and eInfochips, Johnson, and many more. So basically, it's time to boost your CV and gain recognition and seize this opportunity before it expires. So make sure to just participate it. If you want to participate, I'm showing you the registration process also. So you have to just click on this register or enroll. So let me click on it, and here when you click on enroll, basically it will ask your username and password. You have to just enter it and enroll for free. If you face any issue, you can let me know in the comments. And basically for this, you have to just register your, basically create an account on naukri.com. If you don't know, here you can create. Basically you have to enter your details and just register, and all the updates will be sent to you. So this is about this video. Thank you guys. Have a great day.